Now, I will talk about some problem with, with the laptop and their solution. We may encounter some problem on about software, hardware, or connectivity. If the laptop is scratched with opening an app, it would be detective software. Now, what you need to do is call technical support to ask for help. They will help you to update the new software. If the laptop runs with you too much heat blow out, blew out from its fan, its hardware must be a problem. In this case, you need to clean the hardware. If it doesn't work, there's only one thing to do in replacing the new one. If something is wrong with the connectivity, that new you can use wireless connection and GPS. Try rebooting the board router or checking laptop's connected system. Those are three common problems we may encounter with our laptop.